Hey there! In this video, we'll be comparing two internal hard drives, WD Red NAS and Seagate IronWolf. If you're in the market for an internal hard drive for your NAS, then you might be interested in our comparison. If you're new here, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. The WD Red NAS internal hard drive is available in capacities ranging from 2 to 6 terabytes, while Seagate IronWolf goes up to 16 terabytes. IronWolf gives you greater capacity, and thus both drives are suitable for up to 8 bays. WD Red NAS has a 5400 RPM performance class and NASware firmware for compatibility with daily workloads associated with personal and home office environments, making it ideal for regular use. Seagate IronWolf is purpose-built for NAS enclosures and delivers less wear and tear, noise, vibration, and downtime. This is achieved thanks to its NAS-optimized hard drive, providing cache of up to 256 megabytes. WD Red NAS supports up to 180 terabytes per year workload rate, while Seagate IronWolf has an MTBF of 1 million hour. Both drives are quite reliable. Both the WD Red NAS and Seagate IronWolf come with a 3-year limited warranty protection plan. Additionally, IronWolf offers 3-year rescue data recovery services, which is slightly better than WD Red NAS. That's our comparison of WD Red NAS and Seagate IronWolf. We hope it helped you make a decision about which one is better for your own NAS. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos.